Welcome to our Weigl control tutorial. My name is Daniel and I'm going to show you how to do step-by-step a system and firmware update for your ProVP video player on a Windows computer. The latest firmware version of ProVP can be found in the video description and on weigl.support. Connect your ProVP video player to the computer according to the specifications of the wiring diagram by connecting your 12-volt power supply on the back of your ProVP and also by wiring the Ethernet cable to the Ethernet port 1, which is directly connected to your computer. The default IP address of Pro Commander VX video player and ProVP video player is 10.0.0.1.0.9. To get your network communication between your ProVP and computer up and running, start your control panel, click on your network and sharing center. There you go to Ethernet. Here you go to Properties, select Internet Protocol version 4, once again on Properties. Please make sure that the IP address in the first three sections are similar to your ProVP video player. The last section of the address must be different to all other devices in your network. Use also the standard of 3 times 255 and 0 for your subnet mask. Confirm your selection with a click on OK. Close all other windows. Now let's get started with the update. Open a web browser like Google Chrome. Enter in the search bar the default IP address 10.0.0.1.0.9. Press Enter to find your connected ProVP through the web interface. Click on Login. The default login is admin, and for password, use password. Both can be freely changed, suiting to your project requirements. Here you see in the software info your system and video player version. In the System drop-down menu, choose Media Files. Click on the Upload button and choose the latest system and firmware update, which are Embedded System bin and Video Player bin. Open these. After the upload is complete, you will see the Embedded System and the Video Player bin in your Media Files folder. Click on Device and reboot your system. Here in the browser you still see the old version. Please close the browser throughout the entire update process, which can last up to 3 minutes during a system and firmware update. In case of a simple firmware update, this process will be finished in approximately 1 to 2 minutes. During an update process on the ProVP video player, the red active LED will light up occasionally. Please make sure the device stays connected to your 12-volt power supply and your Ethernet cable throughout the entire update process. Further information on this, as well as screenshots for your Mac computer, you can find in the ProVP User's Manual in the chapter ProVP Update. After a reload of the web interface, you will see automatically your successful system and firmware update on the landing page. This can also be further verified if you enter and check here once again the software info about the system and the video player. Congratulations, you successfully updated the latest features on your ProVP video player. If you want to get more tutorials like this, please check out our Weigl control channel. Or if you have any further questions, please contact us on support@weigl-control.com. I'm looking forward to see you in the next Weigl control tutorial.